You know, the foundation to a football program is definitely in the weight room. You know, it's something that definitely was a big part of my decision of applying here and taking a job at Porterville High School. It's definitely developed our players into them being able to compete in the EYL, which is a pretty difficult league, and it's really turned around the program pretty quickly from the time that I arrived to now. And so it's been a major impact on the football program. We've told our kids from day one that, you know, you're going to win football games, you know, the off season before in the weight room. And when we opened up the season 2 years ago, which was against Inuba on the road, that game was 56-0, and that was kind of the driving force behind the following winter when I said, you know, you guys didn't lose this game tonight. You guys lost this game in November through, you know, May and June of last year. And so they really took that to heart that first year I was here. And we went through that first season with 4-6, but they really came into the winter realizing that they had to get stronger, they had to change their bodies, they had to be able to compete physically on the football field. And that's really, I think, was the difference in the 4-6 to an 8-2 record. I talk to them a lot about what they put in their bodies. I try to talk to them about, you know, taking out anti-inflammatory types of food, you know, doubling up on vegetables and fruit, trying to get natural proteins, and then, you know, just picking and choosing what they do on the weekend. The food at the school is efficient. And so really the decisions they make after school and on the weekends is really where they're going to impact, you know, their growth in the weight room. They're teenagers though, and so it's that's going to be a battle forever. Unless you have the resources that a St. John Bosco or a De La Salle has, where they have meal plans and nutritionists and people coming in and, you know, giving each individual athlete a specific direction, and then those athletes being willing to follow it, it's going to be something that probably never goes away. So you just got to talk to them about that consistently.